What's up, Math World? This is Mr. CG here. Our topic today is how to multiply with fractions. Now, we're talking about fractions that have signs, so positive and negative fractions. So today, to be able to do that, the first thing we need to understand is the rules for multiplying and dividing rational numbers, okay? When you multiply and divide any rational numbers, you follow the same pattern, okay? You can use this tic-tac-toe board, which I showed you in the last video, or you could use this idea that when you multiply same signs, you get a positive. There we go. And when you multiply with different signs, you get a negative. Okay, so with that in mind, we're going to learn how to use it when we multiply fractions. So let's take a look at our first example. It says -4/5 times -1/2. Let's see if you can figure out how I do this. How did I get 4 up here? Well, pretty straightforward. All you do is you multiply straight across. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. So our answer here is 4/10, and now let's check our sign. A negative times a negative, those are the same signs, so my answer is going to be a positive. So our answer is 4/10. In another video, we'll go over simplifying, so don't worry about that for now. This is a good answer. All right, now let's look at number 2. What happens if you have a whole number? It's 4 times 3/5. We learned up here that I should be multiplying straight across, but I don't have a numerator and denominator. Here's the good news. Any whole number you can change into a fraction by putting what number on the bottom?
1.
1 on the bottom. So I can change 4 into 4/1. And now I can multiply straight across. So 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 5 is 5. They are both the same signs, so my answer will be a positive. So here is my answer. And again, there will be another video about how to change this into a number that makes a little bit more sense, okay? All right, let's check out our last problem, number 3. Now, this is a mixed number being multiplied by a fraction. We have 2.5 times -3/5. So to be able to multiply these, the first thing we need to do is we need to work with this mixed number to change it to an improper fraction. So the way that you do that is you multiply down and you add up. 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 1 is 5, so I get 5/2. So these two fractions, or these two numbers, are equivalent. All I did was change it so that you have one numerator, one denominator. And I'm going to bring down times of -3/5, and now I can multiply straight across. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 5 is 10. A positive and a negative, these are different signs. So my answer is going to be a negative. There's your final answer, okay? So remind me, how do we multiply fractions?
Straight across.
You multiply straight across, okay? Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Hopefully this video helped you understand how to multiply fractions. If you like this video, make sure you go down, like, comment, and subscribe below.